Welcome, everyone, to another video. Today, I'll show you how to add the Data Analysis ToolPak in Excel. Let's get started. First, open Excel on your computer and create a new sheet. Next, go to the File menu in the top left corner. From the menu, scroll down and click on Options. This will open the Excel Options page. On the left side, look for the Add-ins option and click on it. At the bottom of the page, you will see a drop-down menu next to Manage. Select Excel Add-ins from the list and click the Go button. A new window will open with a list of available add-ins. Find Analysis ToolPak and check the box next to it. After that, click OK. Excel will now load the Data Analysis ToolPak. Once it's successfully added, you can access it by going to the Data tab on the ribbon, where you'll find the Data Analysis button. You can now use various statistical and analytical tools to enhance your Excel experience. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel tips, and I'll see you in the next one.